So here is the installation guide. Step 1. Check all parts. Begin by checking and counting all components. Measure the width of the line transmission wheels. Once the width is measured, place the strip directly under the scraper. Step 2. Adjust the drive wheels. First, position the first drive wheel and measure the distance between the upright post and the edge of the drive wheels. After adjusting the distance, tighten the screws to secure the wheel. Align the front and the rear edges of the drive wheels with the construction line and move all drive wheels to the positioning line. Step 3. Check the universal joints. First, check the orientation of the universal joints. They are differentiated as left and right. The screw holes on the universal joints should face upward and outward. Make sure the horizontal hole on the universal joint is aligned directly with the drive shaft, which makes operation easier. Arrange all the universal joints on both sides in this manner. Ensure that each universal joint is precisely aligned with the drive shaft. Step 4. Install the side conveyor pressure wheels. Measure the distance between the first and the last pressure wheels. Align the front and the rear pressure wheel edges with the construction line. Step 5. Install intermediate pressure wheels. Find the midpoint between the front and the rear wheels and install a pressure wheel. Then find the midpoints between the newly installed